We are on Black Friday, after Thanksgiving, where we enjoyed eating tasty animals. Here we have the unboxing of something here. It just came off the new Amazon Enterprise truck. And we have the Gosky High Definition Monocular. Oh, we're double videoing here. We're double angle. Oh, comes in a nice little pouchy big poucherson. Got the oh, it's got a little clampity doodah or something. I feel like this is one of those iPhone. It is. This is an iPhone clamp here, and then in this lovely little package is the monocular. Not binocular, monocular. It's cool. It's got a good weight to it. Nice and hefty. It's waterproof, apparently.
Okay. Yeah.
Waterproof? Mom, you alright?
Yeah, fine.
Thank you. We've got this little thing here, which we don't know what it's going to do yet, but that's the unboxing. Look at that. Ooh. I wonder if you can look through it and see me on the other side. Can't see anything yet. All right. We're going to read instructions, and we'll be back in just a little bit. Here we are, Gosky. 1-time zoom. 1.8.
I would think you'd have to go to a pass here. It looks like the Redskins are man-to-man coverage. Back to the end zone, caught by Curtis Samuel. Touchdown.
That didn't take long.
Samuel just lined up in that left slot. Great way for the Panthers to start moving the ball down the field, mixing in some McCaffrey.
Now we have the monocular attached, so you can see we've got the eyes on the Buddha. If I move the monocular out of the way, you can see that I am quite the distance from it. And there we are, monocular on, monocular on. All right, here we have the Gosky belt attachment, just in case you need quick access to the Make sure you take the lens caps off because it's really hard to see with them on. Doodle-doo-doo-doo. Monocular hooked onto the iPhone XS, 10s, 11, whatever the hell it's called, 10. And you can see now that we have amplified the vision. We have monocular vision. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Get the Buddha. Buddha.
Buddha. There you go.
Buddha. Now hold on. Let's do a little test. Let's get zooming in from the iPhone on the Buddha. And the Buddha is there.
What are you doing?
I mean, it's pretty, the iPhone has a, interesting.
Meanwhile, you need 3 hands to be able to operate that thing. look at him. He's trying. Like, hold on, let me get my knee up here so I can rest this thing on my...
Hey, you know what? For $90, what do you want? $89.99 can be yours. Probably cheaper today on Black Friday.
So that's the focus. What's the zoom?
I don't know if there is a zoom.
Oh, is there no zoom?
I don't know.
What does this do? That makes it smaller. Why would you want it like that?
Oh yeah, fun with toys on Black Friday. Ladies and gentlemen, the monocular, $89.99 from Gosky. Capturing and sharing high definition can be yours. Gosky 12 by 55 high definition Raveling Wildlife Scenery New. Made in China.
China.
That's the ghost guy. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
The Gina.
There it goes.
Oh, right there! Hey, you guys see that? Be careful, you can watch out there. Don't worry about this.
Move it up, move it up.
I'm gonna
What do you mean you can't see? Look at it, buddy.
look. I'm used to camera. Just follow right now.
That's a rocket, guys. And look at all the smoke from the rocket. We should hear it soon.
Oh my God.